My name is Dan.
And I'm Cheryl.
Cheryl and I are fifth-generation Texans, and we own a company called SuckleBusters. We make award-winning barbecue rubs, barbecue sauces, chili kits, and barbecue gifts. Our products are offered in over 700 stores in the U.S., and we ship worldwide. We have about 60 products that we sell throughout the world. A lot of these products are award-winning. We've won hundreds of industry awards, and we've really just been blessed to have such success with our company. SuckleBusters is a company based in Coppell, Texas. Our family came to Texas in between the time Texas declared independence from Mexico and the time it became a state. And with that, we brought a lot of these recipes from our family up through SuckleBusters today.
All of our products are made in Texas by Texans. One of the questions we're always asked is, what is a SuckleBuster? SuckleBusters means busting with flavor.
One of the things that's important to us is our no bad stuff guarantee.
Which means our products are all natural, there's no fillers or preservatives, and no MSG.
1836, SPG, Hogwaller, and Clucker Dust. Those are really our four best sellers. They're made specifically for beef, pork, chicken, and all-purpose. And with those four rubs, you could cook anything in your backyard. We offer over 30 rubs, 7 different sauces, and we have a line of products called Texas GunPowder, which is pure ground chili powders. So really, no matter what type of cooking you do, we have something for you. We test all our products through a network of competition barbecue cooks before we release them to market.
Having lines like SuckleBusters will enhance our sales and bring local products to the customers in the area. My wife and I use them on pretty much everything that we grill.
Try one of our products and find out why we like to say they're busting with flavor. You'll find out why SuckleBusters is the best in Texas.